In old Japan, there was a young student named Haru. He lived in a quiet town near the sea, but his mind never felt quiet. Every morning, he woke up with many thoughts about the past, mistakes he made, words he wished he had not said. And every night, he worried about the future, about work, about life, about things that had not even happened yet. Haru felt tired, lost, and heavy inside. One day, an old traveler visited his town. The man spoke about a wise monk who lived far away in the mountains, a teacher named Master Kuro. People said the master understood the mind like a river. He knew how thoughts came and how they went. Haru felt a small hope in his heart. Maybe this master could help him. The next morning, Haru packed a little food and water and began his journey. He walked for hours through rice fields, crossed a long wooden bridge, and climbed a narrow path between tall pine trees. As he went higher, the air became cooler and cleaner. Little by little, the noise in his head softened, but it never fully disappeared. After a long day of walking, Haru reached a small wooden house with a stone garden in front. A single candle burned near the door. Master Kuro, an old man with calm eyes, stepped outside. "Welcome, traveler," the master said. "Why have you come so far?" Haru bowed deeply. "Master, my mind is full of thoughts that hurt me. They follow me everywhere. I want peace, but I don't know how to find it." Master Kuro listened without speaking. Then he handed Haru a long bamboo stick and said, "Come with me." They walked to a bamboo grove behind the house. The grove was beautiful and silent, except for the soft sound of leaves moving in the wind. The sunlight gently touched the ground, creating small golden spots. "Your task is simple," Master Kuro said. "Stand still. Hold this bamboo. Breathe and listen." Haru tried to do as the master said, but his thoughts attacked him immediately. What if this doesn't work? What if I never find peace? What about my future? What about my past? The thoughts came like waves, one after another. Minutes passed. Haru felt frustrated, but then, as he breathed slowly, he heard something new. The sound of bamboo knocking together. Talk, talk, talk. Then the whisper of leaves. Shh. It was soft, simple, and gentle. Haru focused on the sound. The wind moved, the bamboo swayed, the leaves danced. Slowly, his thoughts became lighter. The noise in his mind started to fade. For the first time, he felt connected to the moment. The only moment that truly existed. Master Kuro stepped beside him and said quietly, "Do you hear it? This is the present moment. When you listen, your thoughts lose their power. The past is gone. The future is not here. There is only this breath, this sound, this step." Haru kept listening. His shoulders relaxed. His heart felt soft and open. It was as if the bamboo wind carried his worries away. After a long time, the master spoke again. "Peace is not something you find far away," he said. "Peace appears when you stop traveling in your mind." Haru looked at the bamboo stick in his hands and smiled. The world felt lighter, and so did he. He knew he still had much to learn, but he also knew something important. Whenever he felt lost, he could return to the sound of the bamboo, the sound of the present moment. And that was the beginning of his true journey toward inner calm. Thanks for spending this time with me. If this story inspired you or taught you something, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next stories. More stories are on the way. See you in the next one.